Hello everyone, in this video I'll teach you how to concatenate two linked lists. That means I'll teach you how to combine two linked lists. Now see, these are the two linked lists. This is the first linked list and this is the second linked list. Now suppose let's write the address. This is 100, then this is 200, this is 400 let's say, and this is 500, this is 700, this is 900. Now let's put the data into this linked list. Suppose 7, 5, 3 and here suppose 4, 9, 2. Now I'll store the address of next node in this pointer part. Here 200 because 200 is here. Now here 400 because address of next node is 400. Then here 0 because no node is present after this. Now here 700. Then here 900. Then here 0 because no node is present after this. Now see. Now these are the two linked lists. I should combine them too. How I can combine? See. Now to combine means I should create a link. This is the end part of first linked list. This is the end last node of first linked list. You should create a link between the last node of first linked list and first node of second linked list. You should create a link. How you can create? See. How you should create means if you find the pointer part of last node in first linked list, the pointer part of last node, this is the last node of first linked list, the pointer part in that node is 0. If it is 0 means you should change it to address of first node of second linked list. Second linked list is this, first node is this thing, address of first node is 500, so you should store 500 over here. So if I store 500, I can create a link. So now this two linked lists is combined. So this is how you should combine two linked lists. Now I'll explain you how this works. For this you should take two pointer called A and B. See, now A is a pointer which is pointing towards the first node of first linked list. This is first linked list. First node is this, so I am pointing it towards first node. Now see, other pointer B, which is pointing towards the first node of second linked list. First node of second linked list is this. So I am storing 500 over here. Now I have taken two pointer A and B. Now see. Now suppose there is only one node in first linked list. Suppose see. Let's say there is only one node. Then this will be 0 because only one node is there. Then how to combine? So if there is only one node in first linked list, you should create a link between these two. So how to create? So the first step is if A of next, the pointer part of A is 100. So 100's pointer is 0. If it is 0 means you should change it to the address of first node of second linked list. So A next should be equals to B. So see here, A next equals to B you should make. So A is 100 next is this thing, next should be equals to B is 500, so I am marking 500. So you can create a link. So this is the step when only one node is present in the first linked list. Now suppose there are more than one node present in first linked list, then what you should do? See, now A is the pointer which is pointing towards the first node of first linked list. Now see, you should check whether A next is 0 or not, whether the pointer part of first node is 0 or not, because if it is 0 means there is only one node present in it. Now the pointer part is not 0, so the pointer part is 200, that means there is one more node present in it. So if one more node is present, it means you should change the A value to A next. A is 100 next is 200, so you should update A to 200. If you change to 200 means then A will point towards this thing, second node. Now see, now again you should check whether A next is 0 or not. 200's next is 300, it's not 0. So there is one more node present in the linked list of first linked list. So you should update the pointer A pointer to A next. So A is 200 next is 300. So I am updating it to 300. So the pointer will point towards the node which is having address 300. Now I should check whether A next is 0 or not. The pointer part of A. So A is 300. 300 next is 0. So it is 0. So you should stop here. Now what you should make? You can't move to the next node because this is the last node. Now what you should do? You should combine this two linked list. So if it is A, if A next is 0 means you should change the A next value. That is the pointer part. You should change, update it to B part. This A next 300 next should be equals to B. So this B is 500. So I am putting here 500. Then I create 500 means I can create a link. So this is how you combine if there are more than one number of nodes present in first linked list. Now see, now I'll teach you how to write the code for combining two linked lists. Now see, now I'm writing the function void concatenate struct node pointer A comma struct node pointer B. Now see, this is the function concatenate which is used to combine two linked lists, and these are two pointers A and B. That's why I'm writing pointer A, pointer B, which is pointing towards a node. I'm writing. Now see, now I'll write a condition. If A not equals to null and B not equals to null. Now what is this condition? This condition is used to check that both the linked list is not empty. Suppose see, if there are 3 nodes present in first linked list and 3 nodes present in second linked list. If there are no nodes present in both linked list means the pointer A and B will have value 0. Because the pointer can't point to any node. If the first linked list is empty means A value will be 0. That's why I'm checking. If A not equals to 0, that means it's not empty. Now in this case the linked list is not empty. The pointer A is pointing towards the first node address 100. So A is not equals to 0, A is 100. So the linked list is not empty and B is also not empty. So if the linked list is not empty, what I should do? That's I'm writing the condition. See, next condition. If A next equals to null, then what I should do? A next equals to B. What is this condition? See, now I'm checking first whether the linked list is not empty. Yeah, the A is not equals to 0 and B is not equals to 0. That means linked list is not empty. Then I'm going to this condition. If A next equals to null, what is this condition? This condition is to check whether only one node is present in first linked list. See, now how you can say if only one node is present? Suppose there are these two nodes are not present, only one node is present means the pointer part of first node of first linked list will have 0 value. This here 200 is there, right? That will be 0. Instead of 200 the value will be 0. That means only one node will be present. If only one node is present means that's why I'm checking. If A is 100, 100 next is 0. If it is 0 means I should change A next equals to B. That means the link should be connected to like this. If only one node is present, that means A next 100 next should be equals to B. B is 500. 500 value should be written here. That's what I am writing here. This is the condition. Now this is the condition if only one node is present. If there are more number of nodes present here, 3 nodes are present, then what I should do? So I am writing here else concatenate A next comma B. Now see, what is this function? This is a recursion function. Recursive means it calls back again. Now this is not, this I am checking 100 next is 0 or what? No, it's not 0. So one more node is present. Then what I did? I had moved this pointer to this thing. So how I moved? This 100 I changed to 100 next, 200. So that's why I am writing concatenate. The same function is called concatenate A next. A was 100 before. So 100 next is 200. So 200 will be written here. So 200 is A now. 200 is pointer A now. So I am writing pointer A. Now again it checks whether A next is null. 200 next is not 0. It's 300. So I'll go to else condition and I'll call concatenate A next comma B. Now A is 200. 200 next is 300. So 300 will be A. So I'm writing 300. then this pointer will point to the next node. Now again I will check if A next is null, 300 next is 0. Yeah, it's 0. Then I'll write A next equals to B. That means 300 next is should be equal to B. What is B? 500. So I'm writing 500. Then I'll create a link. So this is the way of combining. Now see, that's why I wrote this function. Now I'll write else print either A or B is empty. Now what is this condition? See, now I had checked first whether A is not equals to null and B is not equals to null. That means whether A and B is not empty, both the linked list is not empty. Then I should go into this step. If it is empty means, if both the linked list is empty means I am writing the condition print either A or B is empty. That is the statement. This is how you should write the code for combining two linked lists, and that's all for today, and thank you. If you feel my teaching is good, then like my video, and if you have any doubts or if you want to give any suggestion, then comment on my video and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my video. Thank you.